Alright, hey, what's up, guys? Mark here. You can probably hear some stuff in the background, too. I haven't figured out how to cut that off yet, but this is a friend of mine, Daniel, flying his Traxxas Atom, I think that's what it's called. It's got a gimbal and all that to it, too, that you can put a GoPro on, but we don't have a GoPro for it yet. And it's a cool drone. um, it flies good and all that. He's had it up I think 200 feet. I think he's headed up about that high, somewhere in that area. I don't think probably not 200 feet, but close to it. He can comment down below when he watches this. But I've been holding on this for a couple of days. I had forgot I had it, and I said, "Where is that one where I hit the blade hit my camera of the blade of the drone hit the camera?" You'll see here. I don't know in a few minutes or a couple of minutes where I walk up to the drone and I got a little too close to it and it hits it didn't mess nothing up, but it scared me there for a minute. But anyway, there's some talking, but you can barely hear it. This camera I've got, it was a well, it was a Vivitar 794 HD cameras. It's like a GoPro clone, I guess is what you call it. And the audio on it sucks bad. You can barely hear anything. But anyways, I'll let y'all enjoy it. I just figured I'd throw this one in here, and probably won't be flying for about a week because it's gonna get cold again, and also rain off and on. So I don't like flying when it's cold. Plus my bones hurt. I'm getting on up in age. So yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Enjoy it and sub to me and like. And there's more to come. And my editing, I promise, will get better in time. In due time, it will get better. Uh, Thanks, and we'll check y'all later. Apple juice. It looks cool. It's just like a racing drone. Technically, you could race it. You'd have to get some fat shark goggles and stuff to race. Hold it down a little bit, just like that. Come on down a little bit. All right. Woo! I was going to try to get some slow motion shots of it. All right. Somehow or another, I can do it on my editor, like get slow motion. I'm slowly figuring it out now. I've got to start doing that because it's just blank. I mean, people want to hear music. Right. Because I had somebody, I erased one time. This sucks. You ain't got no music. He said, man, you need to start putting music on her. He said, you ain't gonna get no subs. I said, dude, I know, and I just erased it. I said, I'm a beginner in doing this YouTube stuff. So, I mean, to not have the experience like you do, you're doing damn good. I mean, morning, Atom. That's right, professional UAV pilot.